That's what makes
which
Khavinsons
is insane,
peptides.
because most people listening, unless they've been in our world for a little while, they probably haven't heard of Khavinsons bioregulators. They probably don't know too much about what they are. So could you quickly just fill us in on, number one, what makes these peptides so powerful and so special? And number two, which we somewhat touched on earlier in the beginning, why is it that most people in the peptide space aren't talking about Khavinsons bioregulators?
So for those who don't know, Khavinsons peptides are a unique, naturally occurring type of peptides. So these peptides were discovered from organs or tissues extracts. So back in the 70s and the 80s, Professor Khavinson was looking for a specific strategy to treat rapid aging and certain diseases and stuff. And he come up with looking at specific organs. So he would take, for instance, organ extract, maybe the pineal gland, the liver, maybe it would be the kidneys or the gastric mucosa in the stomach, or even retinal tissue, or maybe it was something from the bone marrow, or the thymus, the pineal gland. He even worked with the hypothalamus, in the past, or just the brain in general, or the muscle tissue, or anything in your body, basically, any organ or major tissue. He extracted samples from these tissues, and he discovered that there were small peptides contained within each of these tissues, and that these small peptides worked essentially as gene switches that could help stimulate repair processes in the body. And when they bind to these promoter regions, it stimulates the expression of that gene, which ultimately transcribes a protein that's associated with that gene, which can then exert healing effects in the body. So it's using your own body to repair itself, essentially. It's just sending the right signal. And that's what makes these particular peptides so powerful, because other classes of peptides, as of now, have not actually been shown to be able to enter the cell, enter the cell's nucleus, and bind to specific regions of genes and bind to the histone proteins and all that. So that's what makes Khavinsons peptides